Hi guys, I'm Sam and we're Ghana bound, and today I have a good friend with me to take you around this property.
Hi guys, my name is Trevor and I'm from Trevlyn Ghana, and today we're not just looking at a house, but we're looking at a lifestyle. We are right now in Airport Residential, so without further ado guys, let's head inside.
Welcome home. Guys, today I'm on the 8th floor of this 2-story duplex in the center of Accra. It's absolutely fantastic. What we have here is a property based in Airport West, and it couldn't be closer to all the amenities.
Absolutely, Sam, and I'm really excited for you to show me around and for me to show you around. So guys, follow closely, don't delay.
So we're here in the main living area. This whole apartment, or penthouse should I say, is 260 square meters.
Ooh,
and that's
very
over
nice.
And that's over 2 floors.
I like that.
Well fitted, appointed, and everything that you see is included.
Oh my goodness me, now that's the first.
And at this price point, I think you might include a drinks cabinet as well.
You should definitely include it. Now let's follow through. Now, what I do like about this, Sam, mentioning about the furniture, is that the furniture is very good quality. You've got some nice L-shaped sofas here, some nice armchairs. You've got a 60-inch TV that comes with it as well, and you've got a private balcony that leads off the living room straight onto there. Not only that, Sam, you actually have a double bedroom on this floor. So those that don't want to walk upstairs and things like that, they can use that bedroom with its own ensuite.
Ensuite, yes.
Absolutely. And then furthermore, coming into this lovely space, which you've got 6-seater dining table. I love the table. This is quality personified. Look at this, guys. This definitely want us to be here to have a good meal. Not only that, guys, but could the drinks also come with this property? Now this are quality whiskies, guys. If you know your whiskey, you know Van Winkle, that is. And of course, you've got your Dalmore as well. Now, less about the drinks and more about this property here. Now, head over here, which you've got beautiful views of West Airport. Come on, Sam, let's have a chat about this, because these views are spectacular. What can you see on the 8th floor of this property? I can see Harmonia Residence right there. I can see Nyaho Clinic right there, Ernest Chemist. You've got a Tunnel Restaurant. You've got Kozo, literally just across the road right here. And not only that, Sam, but you've also got quite a few things. In fact, Ting Nice, if you don't know about Jamaican food,
yes,
in Ghana, Ting Nice is something to consider. Not only that, we've also got Island in Osu as well, so consider those. Now, furthermore, let's head over this side.
So now, one thing that you did mention,
yes,
and I think it's going to play a big part in this tour, is the balconies. Because even in this area alone, you have 2 separate balconies, 2 separate moments.
And I like that, Sam. I do like that. Not only that, but this developer, and in fact, this homeowner has done really well. I love the paintings that is actually used on there. And I'm assuming that we can discuss with it. If you're really keen and you think this could be a home away from home or an investment opportunity, we could potentially speak to the homeowner about the paintings and see if that could be included in the price. Now, check that out. Follow closely, guys.
It's definitely got a good eye. Another thing that I really like about this apartment, there's not a lot of wasted space. It's been put together really well. You know, you go through some houses and there's corridors running in left, right, and center, and you start thinking, is this house more corridor than home?
Absolutely, and I agree with you, Sam, because this house is practical and is really good and well placed. So let's have a look at the other rooms.
Excellent. So we're going to take a look at the 2nd bedroom first. Now, the 2nd bedroom is the only one that currently doesn't have ensuite, but you have your own bathroom just across the hallway here. All the other bedrooms have their own. So this one's for you, and it's not the visitor's bathroom. This bathroom is for the 2nd bedroom. As we make our way through the tiny corridor,
yes,
to my left, we have a well-appointed laundry room, plenty of storages for towels and everything like that.
That's it.
And to the right, the 2nd bedroom.
I do like that, Sam. It looks well kitted out. You have an AC, you've got your wardrobes there, and a lovely bed.
Very good.
And I'm really glad to hear that this actual property comes with all the furniture.
Yes.
Most of the time, most of the properties do not come with the furniture. So having this there, it's a turnkey home. So that means literally home away from home. Come in, drop your suitcase, open the door.
get on with life.
That's
Definitely. Very high quality. We do keep saying that. And again, I did mention this earlier, the balcony situation doesn't stop. We are now in the master bedroom, and it's a split master bedroom.
Yes.
Nice TV, obviously AC here. Another moment you can have on your private balcony.
Absolutely.
And this is just about tranquility.
It is.
Relax.
It is. This is about lifestyle, Sam.
There you go.
It's not just about a house.
Oh.
I like the fact that it's actually duplex, Sam. So it feels like a house, but you're on top on the 8th floor.
Yeah.
Split onto the 9th floor. Amazing. Storage space is incredible here. Let's just come over this side, which I really, really like. We're having a sofa in the bedroom area, being able to just sit down and chill, and you've got your wardrobes there, Sam.
Yes.
Able to just open it up and select your outfit like I did today. Now imagine that, Sam.
So yes, this is a very useful area. Again, everything is used smartly here.
Yes, it's very practical.
And you did mention earlier about the place being the location here.
Yes.
The owner did mention earlier that he feels, apart from the rest of the building,
Yes.
you know, you have your card to get up here.
Yeah.
Security on your section.
Yeah.
Anything else can be going on in Accra. You're in the center, but it's still very peaceful here.
Very tranquil.
Yes.
Very, very tranquil. Those are the words that he actually used. Very peaceful, very tranquil. So let's head over this side.
So we have yet another space, and this is currently being used as an office space.
Yeah, I like this.
Okay. If you did really have the need to have a double dressing room, you could have that as your staging area. And here, you know, get a mirror in, make sure you're looking good, straight out of the master bathroom.
And that's exquisite, Sam. Let's have a look at the actual primary bedroom bathroom. You do have his and her sink,
Yep.
which is great. I like this. Very swanky.
Nice taps.
Nice taps. The bath is just there. Double shower over there with a sort of brass chrome effect there. I like that.
Herringbone tiling.
Herringbone tiling. Look at the quality of this. Oh, look at that. Feeling the shower on top of you there. Guys, this is very nice. Very swanky.
It is very nice, not overdone. The space is beautiful.
Yes.
We still have more to check out.
Should we? Sam, lead the way.
This is a 2-level apartment.
It is indeed.
Before I take you upstairs,
Yes.
let's have a look at the home, the heart of the home, the kitchen.
Absolutely. And what would that be, Sam?
That's the kitchen right here.
Let's have a look at that then.
Now, everything's included, and we're looking at quality German brands all the way through the home.
I like this, Sam.
Double-fronted American-type fridge with the chest underneath. We have an integrated dishwasher.
Yeah.
Beautiful double sink.
Yes.
What's this, quartz granite?
It looks like it, Sam.
Excellent. All the full integrated oven, again,
Yeah.
German branded.
Yeah.
Really, it really feels quality. Everything that we're holding here feels very much of high quality. You have storage.
Oh, I do
days.
like
That was quite sexy,
That
right?
is quite nice. That is quite nice.
And the integrated, what's the word for this?
Induction hob.
Induction hob, yeah,
So
that's
you've got
right.
a lovely induction hob over here. You've got the extractor fan. I love this, Sam. The
Yeah.
soft close
Yep.
on that.
There you go.
This is good quality.
So we are looking at a quality home. This
Yes.
isn't your normal, we won't go and upset people, but
No.
we know that this is a very top quality, high spec home.
Absolutely. And Sam, remember, this is not just a home. It's a lifestyle. So let's head upstairs and see what else we've got.
Excellent. The do in the plex.
That's it. Cheers, Sam. I like these floating stairs, actually. The balustrades, the glass balustrades.
And it's done very well.
And a wooden, yeah. I like the feel of having stairs inside of an apartment. This is quite unique. This is quite nice.
It is good.
Sam, I really do like this space up here. This terrace area here is so cool. I think if this was my home, I'd just be here with the guys, chilling out, having some good old Van Winkles.
You're very right. This is a beautiful touch to the apartment, to the penthouse, and this is what you'd expect from a penthouse. The minimum you're expecting, so you've got 3 balconies downstairs,
Yeah.
a garden balcony here.
Yes.
Okay, so you've got splashes of green. You
Yeah.
know we need that in the
We do
mid-ceiling.
need green, we do definitely need it.
Now, this owner currently has plans to fit a sauna.
Okay.
So not only are you here, you can entertain in the evening, you can imagine seeing the view, the twinkling lights of Accra. You also can come up here and have your own fitness, suite up here.
Like that, Sam.
At the back of there, you have your private entrance to the communal roof terrace.
Whoa, now that is exciting.
Exactly. So you have your own personal private terrace. If it gets bigger, you can go out through your private entrance, up to the main terrace, and the party can just get bigger.
I like that. I like the sound of that. It could just continue.
So also what you have in this development, swimming pool.
That's nice.
You have a gym.
Good, I like that.
There's also plans for a restaurant. So you can order from the Penthouse and they will bring up food for you.
I like that, Sam.
And all the areas are secure. You have a key to get into all these areas. Not anyone can just walk in, no one can get to your floor, no one can even get into the Penthouse main doorway before you get to your own private doorway. Also,
guys,
before we entered, that lock is a smart lock, fingerprint operated or code.
So, I like that.
If you are planning, so not everyone wants to live, maybe you want to rent this out as an exclusive Penthouse experience in Accra.
Yes.
You can program that lock and give your visitors the code and they can let themselves in. You can even program a code for the cleaning crew so they can only get in certain times, certain hours, and you're good. What else is missing from an area like this? We have the top medical facilities in Accra.
Yep.
We have every type of cuisine in walking distance.
I like that.
We have one of the top restaurants, Kozo.
Yes.
Literally, you just fall out.
Just there.
Just fall out of the apartment straight into Kozo. If you want your Jamaican get down.
Yes.
What do we have there?
You've got ting nice. Of course, you also got island Caribbean food in Osu as well, which is great. I do like a taste of those too.
And just to put it into context, we are right among all the big hitters.
Sam, your choice of drinks, mine. Let's go and have
tequila.
That's it. That's what I'm talking about now. This is what I'm talking about when you're right up here. You have your own terrace, your own space with the guys, or with your partners and so forth. Just chilling out over here, Sam. It's such a brilliant place, and you just feel so relaxed being on the top here.
Definitely.
So, Sam, what can we say about price-wise? If you had this property and you're looking at it from an investment perspective, how much could you potentially rent this out for? And if you're looking, of course, we know that we want to sell it. So, if anyone wants to buy this, how much should they be looking at?
Well, Trevor, in my estimation, for a property like this, in its location, proximity to the airport and everything, you're looking at around $5,000 a month for the Ghana city equivalent.
Wow. And for the sales?
For the sales, we're currently looking at offers in the region of, or very close to, $899.
Sam, I think that's a great price. You mentioned that the owner is thinking about putting a sauna in that space there, which is a great space. I've seen it. I think it's really good. What would you do in that space?
If this was my place, I've got to be honest with you, I'm not sure how much leverage I'd have over that space.
All right.
I can see that being a spot for the ladies, Yabba and the ladies.
Okay.
Have it set out the way they want it, and whatever they've got to talk about, that's dedicated for them.
A hair salon, something like that?
Whatever they need. Nail bar. This is a Penthouse.
This is it.
So if you want to get your nails done, you can have the nail bar set up there.
Absolutely.
They can, they can have their bottles there and do what they need to do.
I like that, Sam. That sounds like a good plan.
It's been an absolute pleasure working with you.
And likewise.
It's been a long time coming, hopefully.
Indeed, we could do more of it.
First of many.
So guys, comment below and let us know what you would do with that space over there as well. It'd be great doing it. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Ghana Bound, to Trevlyn Ghana, and also comment below. What do you think about this collaboration? It'd be good to hear your feedback as well. Now, on that note, guys, we're just gonna have ourselves a little drink.
Why not? Let's get this started. So guys, if you're interested in putting in an offer on this fabulous penthouse apartment, you can contact us. Details in the box below. See you in the next one.
Take care, guys.